On today's menu is a recipe that is a popular Indo-Chinese favorite combined with a brilliant idea that I got from my husband. It is cauliflower Manchurian fried rice that is cooked in garlic butter. It turns out to be extremely delicious and it is too good. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Cut the cauliflower into small florets like this. Add a teaspoon of salt and then add boiling hot water to it. And let this sit for a while you do your other prep work. For preparing the rice for making the fried rice, I cooked the rice just like how I cook normal rice in my rice cooker. And once it got cooked, I laid out the rice on a tray to cool it off completely. You can also use leftover rice from the refrigerator. In fact, cold rice is the best for making fried rice. Okay, drain off all the water from the cauliflower and allow the excess water to drip off. Next goes 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of hot sauce or red chili sauce without making a whole lot of mess like I did. Okay, my friends, then just a pinch of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of coarsely crushed black pepper, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 2 heaped tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch, and a teaspoon each of finely grated ginger and garlic. Mix everything so that each floret of cauliflower gets well coated. I do not like a thick coating of batter, so I always make it in this way. Before you do all this mixing, heat up some oil so that you can start frying immediately after coating the cauliflower with the batter. Today I am deep frying, but you can also shallow fry the cauliflower. Fry the cauliflower on medium heat in a single layer. If you try frying too many in one go, then they will stick to each other. They will also become soggy and in turn soak up a lot of oil. So fry them in batches until they turn golden brown in color. And my friends, I'm telling you, fry a little more of cauliflower than the stated proportion, as it is very hard to resist the temptation of not eating a few as soon as they come out. I will fry the next batch. I am now done with frying, so I will be removing most of the oil from the wok, leaving behind just a tablespoon of oil. Then in this 1 tablespoon of oil goes in my very favorite butter. You can also make this without butter. Next add the garlic and fry them on low heat. Do not chop the garlic too fine as they will burn. But do not be scared to brown them up into a golden brown color because that brings in so much flavor to this dish. Fry the garlic on low heat. When you see the garlic turning a little golden brown, add just a teaspoon of grated ginger and chopped onions. And now you can turn up the heat to medium. Give a brief stir and then add chopped bell peppers or capsicum. Though I used a combination of red and green capsicum, you can use any one color. I sprinkle just a pinch of salt and fry the veggies on medium-high heat for a few minutes. Now you do not want the capsicum to lose all its color and become all mushy-dushy. So just a brief stir for a minute or two will be good enough. Next it is sauce time. Soy sauce, tomato ketchup, and hot sauce or red chili sauce. You can even use some chopped green chilies in this. Add the fried cauliflower along with a little bit of black pepper, and at this point this is cauliflower Manchurian that you've cooked, which you can also serve as an appetizer. But here is when my husband's idea came in, so the rice joins the party. I added a little bit of oil to the rice along with just a tiny pinch of salt and the greens of green onions. Stir the rice on medium-high heat. I tasted the rice and I felt the need to add a little more of soy sauce. Stir the rice for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add a final sprinkle of green onions and you are all done. You can have this as is with just a salad, or you can serve this with chili tofu or chili chicken or garlic fish. You will find all those recipes on my channel. I'm telling you, my friends, this turns out to be really very delicious. The cauliflower tastes too good, and the rice combined with that cauliflower makes this irresistibly delicious. Please try this recipe and send me your feedback. Bye bye.